is a whiteout blizzard. Holy shit. Ah. I don't even know what they're talking about. It's beautiful out here. Yeah, this is crazy. My face. Oh, shit. The tree came down right there. Yeah, it's definitely a blizzard. There's a lot of snow out here. I opened the door, the snow just stayed there in place. I couldn't even get the gate open because there's so much ice underneath there. One down, one leaning. I was just thinking it won't be a while till we have to use this generator again. Well, I was wrong. Probably have to move the tractor out of here. I drained this old gas in here. A few summers ago, a bunch of lines got knocked out and didn't have power for like 5 days. So fun times. At least I'm nice and warm in this. Get up. It's gonna get up to 39 and get some of that snow melted. That won't fix the power lines. I got the gas draining. Gonna go and try to find some fresh gas to put in there. So we'll see what happens. The tractor's down cold. Is this stupid if it works? I'm getting the old gas out. It seems like he's pushing the snow fine, so we can actually get out of here. It's only been 1 day so far without power, but you know, it gets pretty cold at night. So that's not fun, but we need to power fridges and freezers, keep the food good. We're putting snow in there to keep them cool right now. And we're running out of water too, so I'll have to go to town and get some water probably. That's not too promising, seeing the power lines out over there, because that must mean there's a lot more, and we You just see the ice on there. Even my data's not working good. Just the crazy blizzard out of nowhere. Whole bunch of lightning and stuff. Just winter just had to have one more storm. Couldn't let us just go. Move on. It was like 60, 70 degrees the day before too. Well, we're gonna put some fresh gas in here, and I think she should go. It's warming up outside. It's like 36, but in case she doesn't, I'll give her a little persuasion. It's a pretty new generator, so it should fire. I just know that would make a killer snow fort if I was younger. If I was a wee lad. Turbo's just singing. All right, we'll get the fuel line back on there, get her filled up, and see what we can do. Should be empty now, so this will be interesting. Oh, we got it topped off with gas. I'm gonna see if she fires. I don't got a whole lot of gas now. I'm gonna go see what the roads look like. Well, we got plenty of water and gas, so should be fine for however long it takes. Hopefully it won't be too long. I don't know. It might be like a week, so. I got paper plates. Got this jank setup going on here. All the old jackery putting in work. Whatever you got to do.